2000年元月份开始运行的，到现在已经运行了14年左右。我们一直用的是德乐汽油，使用效果特别好。这个延长是换油周期，给我们带来了效益。
自这辆车从2000年元月份上户一直运行到现在，本车运行200万公里。在运行过程中，车辆感觉比较平稳，发动机噪音也很小，动力也很足。本台车的日常维护与保养，一直以来用加德乐机油，就是日常成本下来，长时间以来还比较低。
We're here in Xian, China, to inspect this Volvo THD 102 KB engine. This engine has been in a Baoyun group intercity bus traveling between Xian and Baoji and has completed over 2 million kilometers. That's 6,000 round trips over a period of 14 years. This is an inline 6-cylinder 210 kilowatt engine and has been burning diesel fuel with 350 to 2,000 ppm so far. This engine has been lubricated with Caltex Delo Gold multigrade SAE 15W40 and the oil drain period was 30,000 kilometers. We have disassembled the engine and inspected all the components. Overall, this engine is in a good condition, very clean with no sludge. We'll now take a look at some of the components in more detail. Starting with the piston and the rings. Top of the pistons are very clean with very low deposits. The top land and the top groove, there are some deposits, but this is normal due to the very high temperatures experienced. Much less deposits are observed in the second and the third grooves. Very important, all the rings, the top ring, second ring and the third ring, for all the pistons are free to move with no sticking. And this is critical to form a good seal between the combustion chamber and the crankcase to help maintain power, reduce blow-by and control oil consumption. Now we take a look at the bearings. First, the connecting rod bearings. The unloaded side and the loaded side. Both sets of connecting rod bearings are in excellent condition with minimal wear, just a couple of scratches where debris have gone in. This is a set of main bearings, unloaded side. We're seeing a little bit of wear, removal of the top layer and exposing the copper layer underneath here, but generally in pretty good condition. This is a set of main bearings from the loaded side. We are seeing more wear here with removal of the top layer and exposing the copper underneath. But this is expected considering this engine has completed over 2 million kilometers. So these bearings are well bedded in and have been given trouble-free operation. Now we take a look at the cylinder liners. So there's some ball polishing in all 6 cylinder liners, but the cross hatchings are still clearly visible, which is essential to help maintain an oil film on the metal surface for lubrication and for oil consumption control. We'll now look at the Valvetrain for the engine. This is the camshaft from the engine. There are 12 cams here, 6 to operate the inlet valves and 6 to operate the outlet valves. We've looked at each one of these and they're in excellent condition, showing just very normal and uniform wear. The same applies to all the other components in the Valvetrain, from the push rods to the tappets to the rocker arms. All the contact areas are showing just very normal and uniform polishing. No signs of excessive wear or issues. So Caltex Delo Gold Multigrade SAE 15W40 has done an excellent job in protecting these components and minimizing wear, which is critical to ensure timing for opening and closing of these valves are correct to optimize combustion and reduce emissions. We have completed inspection of this Volvo engine, and after traveling for over 2 million kilometers, this is still in a very good condition. It is clear that a combination of good engine build quality with good maintenance practice and the use of Caltex Delo Gold Multigrade SAE 15W40 has enabled trouble-free operation and provided the reliability and savings in maintenance and operating costs the customer is looking for.
但是我们用这个油虽然价位贵了些，发动机的寿命用长了，那个100万公里可能要大修发动机要更换，从价位上高了一些，但是用的里程多跑，50万公里、30万公里的多大的利润，这个对比空间马上就出来了。